Good evening to everyone. Today's topic is escape sequence MCQ and number system program, as you people have given in the previous class that will go for number system program. So we'll start today's topic with our MCQ. What is called escape sequence? The non-graphical characters can be represented by using an escape sequence. This is the theoretical part. After that, we'll go for MCQ. So what exactly it is saying? Non-graphical characters. So when I'm executing a program, I cannot press this enter key to take the control to the next line. This is your enter key available in your keyboard. At the time of execution, I cannot give. I cannot give this tape space at the time of execution. These are all non-graphical characters. Can be represented with the help of your escape sequence. Next point says that escape sequence is preceded by a backslash, forward slash for division, backslash for escape sequence. So what are the escape sequence that we have? The first one is /t, which is used to insert a tape space. What is a tape space? Which is your vertical space that is available in your information or the output. /n takes the control to the next line. So let me show you. I think you people have aware of this. Still, I'm showing you how exactly it is working. So let's go to the Java screen. Suppose I'm just putting a remark on this. I don't want this one. I want to display system dot out dot print. I'm giving this is demo, semicolon. After that, I am displaying system.out.print. Check this. As we know that we have used print statement, that means it will print this data in the screen, output screen, and keep the control or the cursor in the same line. Where it is going to display the next output, it will display it in the same line. So look at over here, we got the data in the same line. If I want the data should be in a tape space. So here, after displaying this, I'm saying /t. Look at this output. This is a tape space I'm getting over here. Or else, here also I can give. Here I can give. If I want to give more space, I can give 2 tape spaces. So this is what exactly it is doing. This is demo. It is displaying. Look at over here. It is displaying. This is demo. After that, when it comes to the next print statement, it gives 2 tape spaces. Here it is giving 2 tape spaces. After that, it is displaying. Check this. So that's why after displaying the data, I can have 2 tape spaces, or before displaying the data also I can have 2 tape spaces. Any doubt regarding this? Like this. If I want to give /n, look at this, how we can do it with the help of /n. It is coming in the same line. I want display this, then take the control to the next line. So that's why /n. After displaying this, /n is given over here. So it is taking the control to the next line. After that, it is displaying. Check this. Like this, we can apply /n over here, or we can apply /n over here also. In this case, what happens? It is displaying. This is demo. After that, it takes the control to the next line. Then it displays. Check this. Now we'll come back to our slide. Next point, /r. /r for char as written. it takes the control to the beginning of the line, that is called char as return. That means after displaying, normally the cursor lies in this line. But if I'll give /r, it will take this cursor to the beginning of this line. If I will display something, it will display over here by pushing all the characters to the right. Any doubt regarding this? /r. Next point is your /f. /f for form fade. It takes the control to the beginning, just like your /r, but the difference is that it is only keeping the cursor over here, but it gives a new line character. That means, let me remove this. After displaying this, normally the cursor is over here, but I have used /f over here. So because of that reason, it will take the control to the beginning and will give a new line character, so that this insert tab will come to the next line. That means we can say it is giving a new line character or empty line at the top of the current line. At the top of current line. So these are the difference between /n, /r and /f. Test space is used for giving 8 spaces. That is depend upon our IDE, not 8 spaces, 6 spaces. That is depend upon our IDE. Let me show you. If I will change, then it can be changed. In your IDE, you will have Windows, Preference, then General. In General, you will go for Appearance, then Color and Font. In Color and Font, you have to edit the tape spaces. The number of tape spaces you will give more, it will give more tape spaces. Am I clear to Swagat? I think the screen what I am trying to display you, it is not available to you. In offline, you can ask me this one. Swagat, I will show you how we can change the size of the tape space in our IDE. These are all complete depends upon your IDE. I will show you. In offline, that screen I want to display is not visible to you. No, I'm unable to show you that particular screen where I'm changing this. Okay, let me come back in offline. You can ask me, I will show you. Next escape sequence is your /b. /b for backspace. Again, normally after displaying, the cursor is over here. But if I'm using /b over here, what it is going to do? It is going to take the cursor over here by removing this one. Again, one backspace, it is going to remove this one. So removes the character left side. Mind it, cursor positions left side it will delete. And it says that it is a backspace character. /A or /007 is for system bit sound. Sometime you might have seen that a sound is coming from your system if there is any error. So that sound is going to be generated from your program with the help of your /A or /007. /single quote. The single quote is used to insert a single quote in our output. Suppose I want to display descriptions. I want to display this apostrophe s, descriptions. So this apostrophe can be given with the help of your backslash and single quote. Backslash double quote is used to put double quotes in our output. How? Like this. If I want to display my output like this, in my output the double quote should come. So in display I should use backspace. So double backslash is used to put a backslash. Suppose I want to display in my output x divided by y in my output. So in that case, I will use double backslash in my code. So let me show you all those things in the IDE, Java IDE. So here, this is demo. I want to display the demos like this. So here I will put a backslash. This apostrophe will come. If I want to put double quotes, then here I will put double quotes. Here I will put double quotes. Let's execute. You will get like this. But if you will not give this backspace and will give only this double quotes, then it will generate an error. Left hand side you can see it is generating an error, red marks. That means it thinks that this is the beginning of the string and this is end of your string. And there is no beginning quotes available over here and this is your end. So that's why it is generating an error message. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Now it's time for your MCQ. Find the odd one out. Class B, class Java screen. For that, notepad is required, beta. In the next class, I will generate this one because this IDE does not support your /B and even your what is that called? You are using BlueJ. Even BlueJ